Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, this time I'd like to show you how to create one photo to become an animatic robot video and how can it possible. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you need to do is install this Pixverse. If you are the user of Android phone, then you can install it first from the Play Store. Or if you are the user of the iPhone or the iOS, then you can install it from the App Store. And if you already install it, then let's get into this application. And this is the template that you would like to explore and how to create the video. And this is the home page to see more about the animation that people have created before. And this is the notification that will contact you or inform you about the creation that already being generated or the new template over here. Since we would like to create the animation from one picture or one photo to become a robot animation, then we will choose the animation over here, name this anything robot. So as you can see here, this animation suggests you to prepare the picture of your, let's say, your vehicle or your electronic. Then you can start to create this animation. Then you can start to use this template, and it will also direct you into this gallery to select the photo that you would like to create. And I have prepared the motorcycle picture over here, and as you can see, this template will need 20 credits of to generate this picture to become this animation. And since we have 60 credit over here, then it will be enough to do this creation. And let's roll. Robot anything, use this template and select the picture and create. So this application will allows you to wait for a while until this application finish to generate the video. And as you can see, since we have just used for 20 credit, then the credits left are 40 credits. And since we have received the information that our video is ready, then we will see or watch the result. Okay, how cool is that? So you can start to, let's say, post it into your social media, or you can just simply download it, or you can also do the upscale over here, but it will need you 50 credit, or you can rewind the creation or generation. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself and also explore more about these pics first. So don't forget to give this video likes and also subscribe for this channel to watch more on another video. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.